Okay, good afternoon. Today we will be learning about how to use typewriter sound effect in our video. So you have to open first the KineMaster and then open and then choose the ratio of the project 16 by 9 and then background you are going to select. Depends upon you what kind of background you are going to use. So we'll choose this kind of background and then click this check one, layer, text, and then you're going to type the text that you wanted. For example, how to use, how to typewriter, typewriter sound effects on sound effects on your in your YouTube videos or other videos, not only YouTube videos. So you are going to click OK and then make it larger by clicking this arrow, and then you're going to set the font size. You're going to select what font size you'd like. So I'll choose Dancing Script bold. Click check and select what type of color. So that is a white. You can change that one according to your preference. You can have depends upon you. So just for example, hindi pala siya clear pag yun ang gagamitin na. So na-try nga ang blue. Okay, this one. And then you're going to select check. No, let's go back. Then choose in animation. Look for the letter by letter, and then you're going to select here below the speed. So if you want to have a fastest kind of speed, then you have it here 0.5, there is 1.5, and this one. So check, and then next is the audio. We're going to select here the downloaded. You have to download first the sound effect. So make sure that it is already downloaded, and then select typewriter sound effect. So I have already downloaded the typewriter sound effect, so I'll check this one and that one, then plus, and then let us try. Again. So mapapansin niyo sumusobra po yung sound, so you can adjust that one according to, for example, okay, and then after which you're going to save that one, export, skip, and you're going to wait for it to export. And it's finally done. This one. Let me open. Okay. So that's it. That ends my tutorial. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Goodbye.